Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT, the natural language processing platform. With the increasing demand for AI-powered solutions, ChatGPT provides a range of opportunities for individuals to earn money using their language processing skills. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 ways that you can make money with ChatGPT. Part 1. Content creation blog writing. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality blog content that's relevant and engaging to your audience. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need regular blog content to attract more traffic to their website. Social media management. ChatGPT can be used to generate social media posts that are informative and engaging. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need help with managing their social media accounts and creating engaging posts that drive traffic and sales. Video script writing. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts for videos that are engaging and informative. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need help with creating video content that's informative and engaging. ChatGPT-powered writing tools. ChatGPT can be used to power writing tools that help writers generate high-quality content. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who want to improve their writing and need tools that can help them with grammar, syntax, and vocabulary. ChatGPT-powered language learning. ChatGPT can also be used to power language learning tools that help individuals learn a new language. You can offer your services to language learning platforms or create your own LAN. Part 3. Language translation services document. Translation. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality translations of documents in a range of languages. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need documents translated for international clients or for personal use. Website translation. ChatGPT can also be used to translate website content into different languages. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need their websites translated to attract international customers. Part 4. ChatGPT-powered products and services. ChatGPT-powered customer support. ChatGPT can be used to power customer support services for businesses. You can offer your services to businesses that want to provide 24/7 customer support through chatbots that are powered by ChatGPT. ChatGPT-powered virtual assistants. ChatGPT can also be used to power virtual assistants that can help individuals with tasks such as scheduling, email management, and online research. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to individuals who need help with these tasks. ChatGPT-powered chat rooms. ChatGPT can be used to power chat rooms that are engaging and informative. You can offer your services to businesses and individuals who want to create chat rooms for their customers or audience. In conclusion, ChatGPT provides a range of opportunities for individuals to earn money using their natural language processing skills. From content creation to chatbot creation and management, language translation services to ChatGPT-powered products and services, there are endless possibilities for earning income with ChatGPT. By offering your services to businesses and individuals who need help with these tasks, you can turn your language processing skills into a profitable venture. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these opportunities today and discover the earning potential of your natural language processing skills.